JBL C100 SI and Boat Bassett 225 was the most demanding earphones in 2017 and 2018, and hell, both the companies redesigned their product in 2018. So how the both fares when faced side by side? Well, let's find out in this video. I am Suraj and you are watching comparison between JBL C100 SI versus Boat Bassett 225. So let's get straight into the video.
So let's start the comparison with design and comfort. The earpiece of C100 SI has angular design and material used is a good quality plastic. On the other hand, Boat 225 gets a normal design, but the material used is a metal which feels extremely sturdy and durable. Both the earphones comes with dedicated mic with single button to pause or play, receive or end calls. Mic casing and buttons are made up of plastic in both the earphones. The 3.5mm jack of both the earphones are gold plated. In JBL it has a straight design whereas Bassett's has a L pattern shape to it. Wire of C100 SI has rubbery finish with average build quality. On the other hand, Bassett's 225 has much better flat wire with rubbery finish to it. Bonus part, Bassett's has a tangle free wire. In comfort department, C100 SI feels more lightweight when using due to its plastic construction, whereas Bassett's 225 feels heavier. As a result, sometimes earphone comes out easily with minor accidental pulls.
So the round of design and comfort remains tie between the two because in build quality, Bassett's 225 has superior finish, but the C100 SI beats in comfort department with its lightweight nature, which means you can use C100 SI for longer duration. Coming to our most important stage of comparison, that is sound department. Let's start with the JBL C100 SI.
It has a very nice stereo sound signature with balanced bass and treble. Low vocals could have been better, but considering the price, it's good. If you are a bass junk, then this earphone may not serve you that good because bass is evenly matched. In other words, balanced sound signature, nothing to complain and nothing to bark about, anything like that. On the other hand, both Bassett's 225 has little less stereo signature, but the treble and bass is super aggressive. If you are a bass junk, then boy oh boy, you will immediately fall in love with this one. But wait, then there lies a small negative, that is it affects the vocals, which means low tones are very average. In that case, C100 SI does much better job.
If you are a person who mostly listens to metal or bass boosted sounds and song, then Boat 225 is for you. Again, I should say this round fits a tie between two because each earphone has its own unique feature and every consumer has different taste of sound, so that's up to you which you will prefer over the another. If you ask me, I am happy with the both products.
I use JBL C100 SI when I travel or roam around streets because it is a lightweight earphone and even comfortable one. And in roads you don't need boom bass. But when I am there in my house, I prefer Bassett's 225 for rich treble and bass signature. An additional thing I have noticed is that Bassett's 225 has overall more sound loudness as compared to JBL C100 SI.
And now we reach to our last point, that is warranty. Both the earphones comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty, which is a great thing in my opinion because most of the company provides 6 months of warranty with budget earphones. So what's the conclusion? Both the earphones comes with some positives as well as negatives, or should say less competitive in certain areas to one another.
If you can live with average build quality but comfortable and balanced signature is your highest priority, then JBL C100 SI is way to go. But if you can compromise on comfort for much more durability and need boom bass with higher loudness, then both Bassett's 225 is for you. Currently, Bassett's 225 sells for around 500 to 550 Indian rupees and JBL C100 SI varies from 600 to 800 rupees. But I strongly suggest not to buy C100 SI for 700 to 800 rupees but if you are getting for around 550 to 650 during sale, then you may buy.
I have given direct links of both the products in the video description down below. If you want to buy one, please buy from my given link so that our channel can grow and you won't charge anything extra for that. So that's pretty much it. If you love this comparison, then press the like button, and if you want to see more unbiased reviews, unboxings, comparisons, vlog, then subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy future videos, and click the bell icon. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. I will definitely like to help. That's it. I will see you guys in my upcoming video.